Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the double data type or value. So to create a double variable, it's pretty simple. Okay, you just type double. You give it a name. For instance, pi equals 3.14159265. I'm gonna print that out. Let's use the endl line. Let's see which is the output. So you guys can see we have this. Okay, we have the variable storing this value. So that's pretty much how you can do. I'm gonna take a look here quickly. Let's see. I'm gonna make a quick sure about the precision. Okay, because when I talk to you guys about the main differences. Okay, so there's some code here. I'm gonna test this out. So for instance, 1 divided by 3.0. So let's change this to an n so we can see the output. So we will see that the actual precision of the double variable. Okay. So let me see if we can see more about this. Okay, I think there's not much more to it, so I'm gonna finish the here. So you guys can see that this is how you use the double variable. We're gonna talk about the precision later. Okay, so see ya next time.